It's a senior-focused approach unique to the Las Vegas area. Partners in Primary Care is ready to help you with your specific needs, and Regional Medical Director Tracy Wakefield is back with more this morning. Tracy, let's go ahead and start with the basics. What is Partners in Primary Care?
Partners in Primary Care is actually a network of senior-focused primary care offices, really offering a unique approach to wellness after the age of 65. We have clinics not only here in Las Vegas, but throughout other areas in the country. But new to Las Vegas, we have currently opened our clinics.
So what exactly does senior-focused primary care mean?
So as we age, our healthcare needs and really our, the needs that we have to stay well really become much more complex. And we understand that it takes extra focus on those kind of complexities as we age to really maintain our health. And this takes much more than just the primary care physician and may include others in what we call a care team that approach, really the holistic view of taking care of our patients.
Take us through the center so we can show our viewers what a Partners in Primary Care center looks like.
So one of the things when we've designed our centers, we really don't want them to feel like such a medical clinic. We want people to feel comfortable here, feel welcome in here, and you'll see that in just the materials we use in the clinic. Also, not only do the clinics look great and have a nice pleasing effect that people will notice the moment they enter our doors, it also has real functional needs for patients over the age of 65. For example, our floors are non-slip and our chairs are weighted so that patients who have mobility issues can actually push their weight off the chair as they get up without the risk of tipping over the chair. Also, as you enter our hallways are wide, allowing access for wheelchairs and walkers and other types of devices that patients may use over the age of 65. When you enter our exam rooms, you'll see we have these exam tables called brewer's chair, which actually allow patients to sit on the chair and then electronically can be raised, lay back, and it makes it much more easier for patients to receive a really good physical exam. We also have our community center, which is a 1,000 square foot room where we host events with the community and also engaging with our patients so that they can seek not only medical care but also a sense of community in our centers. There may be things like bingo night or football night. Particularly once we get past the pandemic, we'll be opening up our centers again for this type of community activities. So not only is it physically built to look beautiful and pleasing, but it also serves a lot of functional needs to really deliver this kind of care to our senior population.
So are your centers open and taking new patients?
Yes, we are actively opening. We will have 6 centers open by the end of 2020. We do have 5 of our clinics open, accepting new patients, and we will be opening an additional 2 centers early in 2021.
So what makes you stand out from the rest?
So for me, it's really about our comprehensive approach to seniors, and we understand that as we age, we have much more, really different needs than we did when we were younger. For us, it's really about approaching those needs head on and incorporating a lot of different people into that team to really address those specific needs and overcome some of the obstacles that often prevent people from attaining their best health. And this really does take a team approach of social workers, clinical pharmacists, nurses.
Anything else you'd like to add?
What I would recommend is going to our website, Partners in Primary Care. Look for the center that's closest to them, and go ahead and give the center a call, and they can, assist you on maybe, coming in for a tour, meeting the care team, seeing what our clinics look and feel like, and then, there's also videos they can actually see online to take a virtual tour of the clinic if they don't actually want to walk into our clinic.
All right, check them out for yourself. For more information about Partners in Primary Care, all you got to do is visit SeniorFocusedLasVegas.com or call 702-718-4351. They're a proud sponsor of Las Vegas Morning Blend and your new partner in good health.